shit. Yeah,
Oh, shit.
Bang.
Tired and eventually left the Kill Devil Hills Police Department. In 1997, there were just a couple of police officers on the entire force. Eventually, the cold case has landed on the desk of Captain
Hey
John
Siri,
Towler.
call 911.
Calling emergency services. Towler is a veteran of the police department and was a patrol.
He hit his car.
Huh?
That's the women.
Fucking hell.
Percent capacity across the board in all these sports. I'm
Al,
gonna say
you wanna
back
go
to
first?
normal. Back to normal. People will be over this soon.
Fuck. I hope so.
I actually asked George Contos this question as a former reliever. This was not even on our show. I just asked him, you know, when we were watching one of the games about...
No, you got to get that re-upped every... It's actually controlled substance, too, so it's like you have to get it re-upped every month.
So you have to get a therapist or somebody.
And he is right. Here come her kind's ancestral foes. The spitting spiders, the Cytodes, have marched in step with Portia's kin all the way from their minuscule...
Idiot.
Dude, you're trashing your tire. Driving on the rim.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Where are you going?
You're in the middle of the road.
No, it's a U-turn.
Then
I'm
wait.
snatching
Then
the head
fucking
off.
wait.
Hit my truck again. And I'll
Dumb
fuck that
fucking
shit up.
dumbass dude. What the fuck?
You want the ride? You're
Right here, bitch. I got this shit, dude.
camera. Take your camera. You hit my fucking truck.
Because you almost fucking killed me.
Watch where you're going.
I'm going straight.
And I was making a U-turn, bitch.
Then stop.